Hello, today we're going to review the new Jeep Gladiator exhaust system manufactured by MRT. This is the 2019 and of course the 2020 Gladiator. This particular vehicle is equipped with a soft top, so wind noise, driving noise is going to be a little bit different, but we're going to evaluate this new 2.5-inch 304 stainless steel MRT exhaust system manufactured here in Plymouth, Michigan, and see what kind of sound this baby produces. So first we're going to do just a light throttle input, kind of simulated city driving. And we do have just a nice baritone whir or exhaust presence. Nothing obnoxious, nothing overwhelming. Definitely can hear it. It's got a performance sound, but it's not overwhelming. And as we get up to 45 miles an hour or so, wind noise, road noise starts to compete. Wide open throttle. She's got some game. The truck accelerates quite nicely. It's got a good performance sound to it. Once we settle into our speed, right now we're on the highway doing 75 or so miles an hour, about 2,000 RPM on the tach. And again, I've got a nice baritone whir in the background. Wind noise is a little bit of a thing with this vehicle, and tire noise. So they're all kind of playing together, not one really substantially different than the other. So for rating this system, I would give the performance, the acceleration, I would give it very high marks. I give it probably a 7 or an 8 out of 10. 10 being extreme, 0 being factory. Performance sound, I think it's a very nice performance sound. Having a 6-cylinder sounding cool, sounding sporty, is sometimes difficult to do. This sounds just right. It's present when you want it present. It's not overwhelming in any driving condition. So I would give it a 9 out of 10. And the look at me, I can tell you by driving this truck for just a few minutes, everybody is taking a look. So I'm going to give us a 9 out of 10 for getting noticed. So if you're ready to upgrade your Gladiator, make it sound as cool as it looks, and have some additional performance, give us a call at MRT. We'll send you one to